Welcome PunjabiShorthand.com. Be ready? Start. If the facts of the present case are considered in the light of enunciation of law referred to above, in my considered opinion, it is a case where the respondent as well as her family should be kept away from the child, as there is every likelihood of their poisoning the mind of the child against the family of his deceased father. Full stop. Once a girl is married and she moves on to her matrimonial home, she belongs to that family. Full stop. The children born out of the wedlock are considered as part of that family and not of the family of the mother, who are merely the relatives thereafter. Full stop. In the present case, the admitted facts on record are that for the murder of the father of the child, his mother, maternal grandmother, and one Ravinder have been convicted. Full stop. Though maternal grandfather was also one of the accused and remained in judicial custody for some time. However, finally he was acquitted. Full stop. But even his acquittal will not detain this court to prima facie opine that future of the child, who is in his tender age, will be in safe hands with the respondent or her family members. Full stop. The primary consideration at the early age of life is to inculcate moral and ethical values in the child, besides taking care of his educational needs. Full stop. In a family where two persons, including the mother of the minor child, have been convicted for the murder of the father of the child, no one can expect that surroundings therein would be conducive enough for inculcating good moral and ethical values. Rather, chances are that mind of the child may be poisoned against his paternal family, as is evident even now. Full stop. Moreover, the child belongs to the family of the petitioner and not to respondent number one. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner had stated that wherever the child is studying at present, he is ready and willing to bear entire expenditure for his education and hostel, etc., and the same will appropriately take care of his education. Full stop. The child needs the atmosphere of love and affection. Full stop. He cannot be left in the family of criminals, where there may be feeling of hate and revenge. Full stop. As far as interim custody of the child is concerned, in my opinion, the learned court below was totally insensitive to the future of the child in granting interim custody